Hi guys, today we're going to be making this delicious veg momos. So take some flour, oregano and some chili flakes, totally optional. So mix this up and make a deep well and add some water and olive oil, totally optional, any oil, and mix this up and knead it. Definitely you need lot more of kneading, so knead this properly. Add some extra chili flakes or oil if you want, and then put this in a bowl and let it rest for a while. And in a different pan, just add some oil and some salt. You can add the spices now too. Grated carrot, some grated carrot would be definitely good, and some paneer, grated paneer too. And here I'm adding seasonings, simple seasonings, and I have chopped capsicum. And here you can use the chopped capsicum. You can totally skip this part also, it's just that gives more flavor. And I added some corn to this, and keep on stirring this because all of those vegetables have to be evenly cooked when you make this. This is basically the filling, so keep on stirring. It has to be properly cooked, and add more seasonings if you like at this point, and it will be totally awesome. This is the best filling you could ever imagine. Now let the mixture rest, and I'm going to divide this into 4 parts. Roll it up just to make it easier, and cut these into 3 different parts. It depends on your dough size. So I'm making these small little balls, enough to fill the stuffing inside, even fillings. So I made a small bowl, and now I'm just shaping them into sort of round balls just to make it easier. This is the best recipe to make all your family involved, and totally, believe me, it's awesome, and had a lot of fun doing this. So roll this out, and this process, so at outside, at the edges, you have to make them thinner. This is going to be the folding parts, so keep rolling the outsides a little bit thinner than the middle part. So repeat all these things for the same process, and take your filling and stuff them. Here I'm showing a method of folding, so you can follow that, and here's another one. At the edges you have to keep water, so touch a little bit of water and all around the edges, and you're good to go. You can fold this. I have showed the easiest manner, not how to make the original dumpling way, but more easier manner. And this is how you do it for the rest of them. And I've chosen a idli one over here to steam. You can definitely choose other ones also. Steam this for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then after steaming, brush it with some soya sauce. Give it to your family. I hope they enjoy it. Thank you for watching.